Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the lessons that I've learned after uploading 1,200 videos to our YouTube channel. Alright, so I recently got a notification here on YouTube that we have surpassed 1,200 uploaded videos to our channel. And if you guys don't know, I run this YouTube channel with my best friend and business partner, Esselin, and we do tutorial videos. Our channel is for creative entrepreneurs, and it's about money, marketing, and mindset. And you know, when I saw the number 1,200 uploads, it made me step back and think how far we've come, and I wanted to do this video and share some things that I've learned along the way. So the first thing I've learned is that your first round of videos, your first maybe 20 videos, they're going to suck. Our first videos are so bad. Like, I was so nervous. The very first video that I attempted to record was a tutorial video, and it was about Facebook, and it was about when Facebook had vertical banners. And it took me 8 hours to film this one tutorial, and the actual tutorial was probably like less than 3 or 4 minutes long. I remember the day so vividly. I was really in my head and I was getting so frustrated at myself. I had a whole literal script written out saying, "Hi everyone, my name is Jewel," and this and that, and I was trying to be so perfect, so professional, and every time I would say a couple words, I would completely doubt myself and then like stop the recording. I would say like a couple words and then stop the recording. And then I would start over and start over and start over, and each time I was getting more and more and more frustrated. So I've learned to be more easygoing, laid back, just be yourself. And it's okay in the beginning that your videos aren't gonna be good. Like, you're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna say the wrong thing, you're gonna look awkward on camera. The key is to just be yourself, be authentic, give value. I'm always focused on giving as much value as I can. Another thing that I've learned is that you're not always going to look good on camera. There are going to be days where it's just not working out for whatever reason. You're not feeling well, your hair's going crazy, you're bloated for some reason. Again, I've learned not to fixate on those things. I've learned that consistency is the whole thing. It is the answer, it is the key, it is how you become successful on YouTube, is being consistent. And we have consistently been uploading YouTube videos to our channel since 2015, Monday to Thursday. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes Friday, we would upload videos. Saturdays and Sundays were usually days off, but sometimes there would be a bonus video. And keeping that consistency has been a tremendous base and foundation for our channel. If you can strengthen that muscle of video creation, video editing, uploading, if you can strengthen that muscle to make it an automatic habit, that's where you're going to win with your YouTube channel. Because a lot of what happens is the resistance in the beginning of, trying to get a video out. Oh, I don't feel like editing. I don't feel like doing a video. And then a lot of people drop off. We have gotten it to the point where creating videos is so normal. It's so automatic. It's like brushing teeth or taking a shower. Whether you're motivated or not, you're gonna do it. Or at least I'm gonna do it. Whether I'm motivated or not, I'm gonna brush my teeth or take a shower. And the same thing goes for videos. You want to get it to the point where you do not need motivation to do a video or to edit a video, because if you rely on motivation, then if there is no motivation, then you're not doing it. And then that could create a snowball effect of, oh, I don't feel like doing it, and then a week goes by, and then 2 weeks go by, and then a month goes by, and then too long has gone by, and then you've given up. Everything else can be learned, SEO, using cameras, editing, but I would say the most important thing is being consistent. Another thing that I've learned is that you can't please everyone. It doesn't matter how good your tutorial is, how much free information you're giving, how much time you're using in that video, there are going to be people that are not going to like it. But there's going to be more people that do like it, and you need to focus on that. A lot of people get caught up with the haters and, oh, someone said something bad. People are going to always say bad things, but you can't focus on that. Focus on the people that you're actually helping. YouTube is a long-term game, so if you are starting a YouTube channel just to make a bunch of money, then you might get frustrated if you don't hit it right away. YouTube's a platform where it's like a plant. You need to start off with the seed and you need to water it, and it needs sunlight. And if it doesn't get the sunlight, then it starts to wither away. You need to give it like nutrients. It's something that needs constant maintenance. You need to do videos that you love doing, because that's going to get through the hardships. It's going to get you through the hardships, because there will be ups and downs. YouTube is, or online in general, it's like a live market. So anything can happen, both good and bad, and both good and bad things have happened with our channel. But because we love our channel so much and what it does for other people, our channel is a resource for so many people. When there is something bad going on, because we love our channel so much, it pulls us through that. If you're only thinking about the money, then you're more likely to give up when it's hard or things are going wrong. I also learned not to be obsessed with the views and subscribers. I've said this many times. If we were to do a channel on a specific topic about making money or about Amazon or only about Etsy, our channel would probably be bigger than it is now. We'd probably be at 100 or 200,000 subscribers. But from the very beginning, we didn't care about the views and the subscribers. Our main goal was to help people with our channel. And so whenever we get a comment from someone saying like, oh my God, your video helped me so much, or I was able to complete my project, or I handed this in to my boss and I was able to edit it because one of your videos, that means more to us than anything. We count those. You know, the views and the subscribers are great, but it is not what makes or breaks us. We do not get upset when we release a video and within the first 24 hours it has less than 100 views and say, oh, you know, that video did poorly. And in fact, our videos take longer in the search, and that video that initially may have gotten less than 100 views, by the end of the year, it could have over 100,000 views. And that's the exciting thing, is that you never really know which video is gonna go. Another thing that I've learned is that you don't need a bunch of viral videos to make good money on YouTube. You don't need the videos to hit 1 million views. In fact, we don't even have a single video that has hit even close to 1 million views. But you don't actually need, and I've learned that you don't actually need a lot of subscribers and a lot of views to make money on YouTube. When you understand how the advertising works on YouTube, you can actually make good money with what would be considered as a lower amount of views and subscribers. I also learned that you need to try new things, learn new things to upgrade your channel. So all along the way of our YouTube channel, we started with just the laptop. No external webcam, no microphone, no lighting. Just the laptop. Totally pixelated. It looked really bad. And then, you know, eventually we got a $10 webcam, and then we upgraded to this webcam, which is the Logitech C930E, and then we got a microphone, and then we got some lighting, and then we got another DSLR camera, and then we got a GoPro. Don't expect to know everything all at once or try to learn everything all at once, because then that will overwhelm you. You need to learn it in gradual stages. As you master one piece, then upgrade something and learn another different part of your channel that you need to improve on. And the last thing that I learned from uploading 1,200 YouTube videos onto our channel is that you really are capable of doing more than you actually think you can. So back when we first started this channel, we would upload a video once a month, once every 2-3 weeks, and then we started doing once a week, and then once Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And right now, as I'm filming this, it is during the craziness of the world, and you know what I'm talking about, you know what time I'm talking about. It's 2020, and the world is going through something right now. And right now, we are wanting to level up, so we are uploading 2 to 3 videos per day. We're doing at least 1 or 2 pre-recorded and 1 live stream per day. So we've been live streaming every day at 6 p.m. PST with this new sort of live stream show on our channel called The Quarantine Life. And if back then you were to tell me when I first started this channel that you'll eventually be doing 3 videos a day and a live stream, and your channel's gonna make this amount of income, I would have thought you were crazy, because I remember when we first had our first 300 subscribers and the first couple of videos uploaded. It's been an amazing journey, and I know it seems like we've done so much and we've been on YouTube for a long time, but it really feels like we're just getting started. I feel like there's so much more to experience, and never for a second have I been like, oh, I'm bored of YouTube. And when you can find something that fuels you like that every day, that's something that's really special, because that'll carry you through. That whole passion and drive, that'll carry you through. So 1,200 uploads later, and I feel like we're just getting started. Thank you to anyone who has ever watched, liked, subscribed, commented on our channel. We love YouTube. We love doing this. And here's to the next 1,200 videos.